Life can very hectic. We are all very busy in our day to day activities. I remember a time when I was very busy. It so happened that 2 months ago my cousin's wedding was fixed. The groom was an NRI from Canada, and the wedding was to take place within a week. My uncle and aunt were very tense about all the arrangements. I took over the responsibility and offered to help. I took a pen and paper and made a detailed list of tasks. Then I distributed duties to other members of my family and close relatives. Everyone was very helpful. We took it on as a challenge, and I remember how little we slept that whole week. We booked the marriage place and the caterers. Then we booked the decorators. Shopping for trousers was on my mother's shoulder. She was very happy because she is a shopaholic and shopping for wedding clothes was a very enjoyable activity for her. My father was busy getting the invitation cards printed and distributed. He made a list of all friends and relatives who were to be invited. Many relatives who live away were invited on phone only. We arranged the DJ also for the ring ceremony and the Sangeet. On the actual day of the wedding, I was very nervous, but everything went smoothly. I received many compliments for the perfect arrangement. Now, whenever there is an event in the family, I happily take charge of the planning. I have also thought about this event organizing as a career option. This career option also came to my mind after watching the movie Band Baja Barat. Technology takes away focus and attention. It is easy to get sidetracked from important tasks because of smartphones, endless notification, and social media. Technology can help with time management by providing tools like calendars, reminders, and task list. There are many apps for planning and scheduling that can help people stay organized. People may experience various types of pressure at work, such as tight deadlines, heavy workloads, and high expectations from managers. Differences in opinion with coworkers, communication issues, or misunderstanding can also lead to stress and tension. Children should learn through playing games rather than under pressure. Games make learning fun and help children understand concept better. Learning under pressure can cause stress and reduce their interest in studying. Staying busy keeps the mind engaged and reduces boredom and overthinking. Overworking and staying too busy can lead to stress and burnout. It may negatively affect physical and mental health. I am currently working full time and pursuing an MBA degree online on weekends, which keeps me very busy. Once I complete my degree, I will have more free time. India is a land of celebrities. With its vast population giving rise to many renowned personalities. Most of the popular people in India are either movie actors, cricketers, or politicians. Today, I would like to talk about a sports person who has been a constant source of inspiration to me and the millions of other people in our country. His name is Virat Kohli and he is a world famous cricketer. He plays as a right handed batsman and an occasional unorthodox right arm quick bowler. He is 36 years old and is considered one of the greatest player in Indian cricket history. He was the captain of the Indian cricket team in all formats of the game, including Test cricket, One Day International, and T20. He retired from T20 format following India's win at the 2024 T20 World Cup. He is also ranked as one of the most famous athletes by the Forbes magazine. He led the Indian under 19 team to victory in the 2008 World Cup.